Hey guys, and welcome back to How to Guide. In this video, we're gonna look at how to view the current billing cycle in Upwork. Now let's begin. Well, right here, this is the interface of Upwork once you've logged in. In case you have not, do log in right now. If you're facing any issues while logging in and don't know how to log in as well, we have created a video regarding about that. Once you're on this page, on the top right section, you'll see your profile right here. Simply click on it, and something like this will open up right from there. Well, worry not. Here's your profile, stats and trends, and finally, membership plan, the button we're trying to go to. Click on the tab right here, and then once you're on this page, that membership and connect, initially you'll see the current plan, and just below it, here's current billing cycle. And that's it guys, that's how you view the current billing cycle in Upwork. It's quite easy. Do note that you can buy connects from here as well. And that's it guys, that's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.